Let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, red color, sky blue color, brown color, purple color, black color, orange color, pink color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for God. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lollipop. M for mango. N for nose. O for owl. P for parrot. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Thanks for watching.